Welcome to our deep dive into the world of light pollution. For millennia, humans lived under a sky bursting with stars, a cosmic tapestry that inspired countless myths, legends, and scientific discoveries. But in our modern age, that ancient view is fading, obscured by a haze of artificial light. Today, we'll explore what it is, how it occurs, its causes, and much more. Let's get started. Imagine gazing up at the night sky, expecting to be greeted by the Milky Way, a river of stars arcing across the cosmos. The beauty of the universe laid out before you, each star a distant sun, each constellation telling a story as old as time itself. Instead, you're met with a dull orange glow, the stars obscured by an omnipresent haze. The city lights create a blanket of artificial brightness that drowns out the natural wonders of the night sky. This, my friends, is light pollution, the unintended consequence of our modern world. It's a byproduct of our need for illumination, safety, and convenience. But it comes at a significant cost. It's the excessive or misdirected artificial light that washes out the darkness, disrupting ecosystems and obscuring our view of the cosmos. Wildlife, especially nocturnal animals, suffer as their natural behaviors are altered. We can categorize this phenomenon into different types. Each type has its own unique impact on the environment and our lives. Sky glow, that diffuse luminescence hanging over urban areas, is the most familiar. It's the reason why stars are barely visible in cities. Then there's glare, the harsh, blinding light from poorly designed streetlights or car headlights. It can cause discomfort and even temporary blindness. And let's not forget light trespass, where light spills onto neighboring properties, disrupting sleep and wasting energy. This type of pollution invades personal spaces, affecting our health and well-being. Light pollution doesn't just magically appear. It's the result of our own actions, the unintended consequence of our quest to illuminate the night. Think about it. Every streetlight, every brightly lit billboard, every home with its windows glowing contributes to the problem. The culprit? Excessive and misdirected artificial light. When light fixtures are poorly designed, sending light upwards instead of focusing it downwards where it's needed, it scatters in the atmosphere, creating that familiar hazy glow. Add to that the sheer volume of light we generate, often exceeding what's necessary, and you have a recipe for a sky devoid of stars. Now let's pinpoint the usual suspects in this cosmic case. At the top of the list, we have streetlights, those sentinels of the night meant to guide our way. Ironically, they're often the biggest culprits, especially when they lack proper shielding, sending light skyward instead of illuminating the road. Next up, we have commercial properties, those beacons of capitalism vying for our attention with brightly lit signs and facades. And let's not forget our own abodes. Residential areas with their porch lights, security lights, and even interior lights left on through the night all contribute to the ever-growing glow. You might be thinking, so what if we can't see as many stars? What's the big deal? Well, the consequences of light pollution extend far beyond our backyard stargazing sessions. For starters, it disrupts ecosystems. Nocturnal animals, from fireflies to bats to migrating birds, rely on darkness for navigation, foraging, and reproduction. Light pollution throws their finely tuned systems into disarray, and it's not just wildlife that suffers. Studies have linked light pollution to human health problems, including sleep disorders, depression, and even increased risk of certain cancers. Let's delve deeper into the impact on us humans. Our bodies are intricately connected to the natural rhythms of day and night, a cycle known as the circadian rhythm. Light pollution disrupts this delicate balance. That artificial light seeping into our bedrooms at night, it suppresses melatonin production, a hormone crucial for regulating sleep. The result: poor sleep quality, daytime fatigue, and an increased risk of sleep disorders. But it goes beyond sleep. Studies suggest a link between light pollution and mental health, with some researchers positing that it contributes to stress, anxiety, and even depression. The good news is light pollution is a reversible problem. Unlike some environmental issues that seem insurmountable, light pollution can be tackled with relatively simple measures. Unlike climate change, which requires global cooperation and systemic change, addressing light pollution often comes down to individual actions. Each of us can make a difference by being mindful of our lighting choices. One of the simplest yet most effective solutions is using shielded lighting. Shielded fixtures direct light downwards, preventing it from spilling into the sky and neighbouring properties. By directing light downwards, where it's needed, we can drastically reduce light trespass and sky glow. This not only helps the environment, but also improves visibility and safety. Another crucial step is reducing unnecessary outdoor lighting. Many outdoor lights are left on all night, wasting energy and contributing to light pollution. Do we really need those floodlights blazing all night? Probably not. Assessing our actual lighting needs can lead to significant reductions in light pollution. Motion sensors and timers can be our allies in the fight against light pollution. These devices ensure that lights are only on when necessary, conserving energy and reducing light spill. And let's not forget the power of awareness. Community involvement and public education are key to making lasting changes. By educating ourselves and others about the issue, we can create a movement for change. Together we can reclaim our night skies and enjoy the beauty of the stars once more. Imagine stepping outside on a clear night, far from the city lights, away from the hustle and bustle where the only sounds are those of nature. The air is crisp, and the sky is a vast dark canvas. As your eyes adjust to the darkness, a breathtaking sight unfolds above you. Stars begin to appear one by one until the sky is filled with a shimmering tapestry of light. The Milky Way, our home galaxy, stretches across the sky like a river of stars, its countless suns twinkling like celestial fireflies. It's a sight so magnificent, it almost feels otherworldly. Constellations, those ancient patterns etched in the stars, are no longer faint outlines but blaze with a brilliance lost to urban dwellers. Each star tells a story, a tale from our ancestors. Meteors, streaks of cosmic dust burning up in the atmosphere, become frequent visitors, their fiery trails illuminating the night. It's like watching a celestial fireworks show. This, my friends, is the natural night sky, a spectacle of awe and wonder that has captivated humanity for millennia. It's a reminder of our place in the universe, a humbling and inspiring experience that connects us to the cosmos. While light pollution continues to spread across the globe, there are still pockets of darkness where the night sky reigns supreme. In the Atacama Desert of Chile, home to some of the world's most powerful telescopes, the dry air and remote location create ideal conditions for stargazing. The Namibran Nature Reserve in Namibia, designated as an international dark sky reserve, offers visitors a chance to witness the Milky Way in all its glory. And in the remote Scottish Highlands, far from the bright lights of Edinburgh and Glasgow, the night sky is a tapestry of stars, a testament to the beauty of darkness. Unfortunately, not all corners of the world are blessed with pristine night skies. Light pollution is a global issue, with some regions more affected than others. According to recent studies, Singapore, South Korea and Italy top the list of countries with the most light pollution. Major urban centers like New York City, Los Angeles and Tokyo are also notorious for their bright skies, where seeing even the brightest stars can be a challenge. These areas serve as stark reminders of the impact of human activity on the natural world, even in its most subtle forms. To truly grasp the extent of light pollution, we can turn to a powerful tool, the World Light Pollution Map. This map, created using satellite data, provides a visual representation of light pollution levels across the globe. Areas bathed in red and orange indicate high levels of light pollution, while those shrouded in blue and black represent areas with darker skies. The map serves as a stark reminder of the pervasiveness of light pollution, but it also offers a glimmer of hope. By identifying areas with less light pollution, we can focus our conservation efforts and work towards preserving these havens of darkness for future generations. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey through the world of light pollution. We've journeyed from the science of light to the profound ways it impacts our planet and ourselves. Remember, every small action counts in preserving our night skies. By making conscious choices about our lighting, we can reclaim the darkness and rediscover the awe-inspiring beauty of a star-filled sky. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more informative content.